Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Ipsy Ultimate. My lighting feels a little off. I don't know, I feel like it's just really dark in here today. Anyway, just real quick before we jump into Ipsy, there is a giveaway going on right now that is linked down below. 8 winners, a couple of Jeffree Star products. Woot woot. There is other information down there too if you're interested in reading it. Ipsy Ultimate is $50 a month. I don't know, it might be like $49.99. Ipsy is a makeup, skincare, beauty sort of a box, and it is, Ipsy Ultimate has only been around for a few months now, and I've been getting it since the start, so let's get into this. It's been kind of touch or go with this box, so we'll see how it is this month. So I open it up, and this is what I see. And the first thing I'm pulling out is a large makeup bag, or well, I guess not large, but that's pretty cool. It has that marbling and it's really smooth, so it feels kind of cool. That's cute. The next thing, and I typically don't look for spoilers or anything like that, so generally when I open these up, well, unless I'm going in and picking my item. But anyway, okay, so the next thing I am pulling out are some face masks. Oh wait, so there's the card. Have they changed it, or they get what? That is not the card. I'm confused. Okay, so this is the card that's in here, but you just open it up and it doesn't have the products at all. It just has manifest your best year yet, and then put your goals down or whatever. So, great. All right, here we go. So the first thing I am pulling out are 3 face masks, and they're different. So that is what that looks like. Let's see, this is, it doesn't say, well, it says in a foreign language what's in it, but I don't know. I can't read that. And then this is Tea Tree 90 toner pads. So this is not a face mask. All right, cool. The next thing I am digging out is a brush. I really wish they would give a card with this box. Oh my goodness, but that is cool. Oh gosh, oh gosh. My lighting is so off. Okay, so that's cool. This netting around the top. I don't know, that'd just be fun to play with. And there is the brush. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get that back on. Ooh, my lighting. Sorry about that, guys. All right, let me see if I can. I mean, I'll probably keep this, but I do want to put the cover back on for now. All right. The next thing I am pulling out is This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I really, really wish they would give us a card. Okay, so there's that. I don't know. I'll have to read the ingredients and stuff like that, just because I do have really sensitive skin, so I don't tend to spray things on my pillowcases or on my bed or anything like that. But I'll look at the ingredients and see, and maybe give it a try. The next thing I am pulling out is Sweet Chef Beet and Vitamin. It's a serum shot. So it's that, and it's it refines pores and smooths rough skin. Okay, so it's just a facial serum. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out, I feel like this box is really reminiscent of last month's box. I'm gonna have to go back and watch my Ipsys from last month, but I know for sure that I got one of these. And I'm just kind of looking at these things, wondering if I got I don't know, I'll have to go back. But so this is a Tartist lip paint, and it is in the color Front Row. You cannot see that because my lighting is bad, but Front Row, that's the exact same lipstick I got. So this one will be going in a giveaway. The next thing I am pulling out is by Hey Honey, and it says Take Away the Drama. Okay, and it's a peel off mask. Okay. The next thing I am pulling out is an eyeliner by Sugar. Yeah, this box is just feeling like super reminiscent of last month. Let's see. Stroke of Genius and Heavy Duty Coal. So, ooh, that's what the tip looks like. I will probably pass that along. I'm almost positive I already have one. The next thing I am pulling out is nail polish. Don't Be Jelly. So I remember getting this brand of nail polish in the last couple months, but it wasn't this color. That's a really pretty color, I think. Where is my focus? Oh my goodness. Okay. My lighting is not good. Sorry, you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is this highlight balm. I don't remember if that's the same one I got, but I did get this. So I don't know what's going on with Ipsy. I don't know, you guys. I feel like I've gotten all of this stuff. And this is wet. Let's see. Ahava, Time to Hydrate. It's a moisturizer. I don't know if I have that or not. I don't recall that. And then What's the Tea? And I did get a balm palette, but it wasn't this one. So let's see, What's the Tea? The packaging of the balm is really super cute, but those are pretty. I don't own too many things from the balm, but my most used neutral palette is by the balm, and then I love some of their blushes, but I don't have a ton from the balm, but I do love the packaging. So anyway, there's that again. But okay, you guys, that's Ipsy Ultimate. I'm not sure what I think. I mean, honestly, I'm like just going through this stuff and I'm like, I think I own that. I think I own that. But, you know, I have a huge stash, so, you know, everything seems very reminiscent. So I will have to go back and watch my previous videos, or you guys can do that for me if you want. You're like, no. Anyway, this box just feels really reminiscent. I didn't feel like this box had a wow factor. I don't know how I'm feeling. I may quit Ultimate, you guys, and just keep Plus. I don't know. I'm gonna have to make a decision on this box because, I mean, in my opinion, I feel like it's been kind of half and half. Good and bad, so I don't know. I just feel like I own all of this stuff already, and I feel like I got it in Ipsy, whether it was the last month or maybe over the last couple of months. I just feel like I own all this stuff. So I don't know how I'm feeling about Ipsy Ultimate. I guess that's the bottom line. I'll keep you updated. Oh my goodness, I did not mean to be such a big downer in this video, but it's just weird. It's feeling weird. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, got a good laugh out of it. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.